morning. We are live. Just getting caught up in the news here. Obviously, we have FOMC today. We also have gasoline inventories, distillate inventories, AT&T earning call, which passed this morning already. FOMC isn't until 2 p.m. East Coast time. And we have Microsoft, Meta, Tesla, IBM earnings. So it's going to be an interesting afternoon. Keeping it small today, guys. Let's be safe. Going to be some potentially some choppy market. Overall, we're still in a bullish trend for MES and MNQ. Gold finally, let's see, did it finally make a sell-off here? Nope, gold is and we are open, guys. Market's live. Let's get my view ups over here. Up on my New York view ups, anchored New York view ups. One more. So interesting. I'm not seeing my trade of 8 isn't moving, guys. What's going on here? Interesting. So it seems like we have a trade of 8 issue here right now, guys. Because my chart's not MNQH. I don't know if anybody else. Hey, Johan, do you have trade of 8? And are you okay? You have the same problem. I'm gonna see if I can load up an order through TradingView here. Oh, what the heck, man. That's so weird. It showed orders filled down here. I wonder how much money I just lost there. Yeah, I just did the same thing. It said order filled, order canceled. But, okay, I lost $2.90. Looks like. Okay, well, hey, I don't know what we're doing this morning then. I guess I can take some paper trades here. I got a paper practice account here with Top 1 Futures. Your trade is running? Uh-oh. Can't close it? Hit exit all? Take screenshots, Johan. Screenshot your take screenshots because you'll need that to get a ticket for them to fix it for you. Take screenshots and can you log into Trading View and see if it's on there? If you can do that also. Oh, this is unfortunate. Creative 8 is having trouble. That's so interesting. That kind of figures, hey, we get out at Project X, and then now Creative 8's having an issue? Like, what the heck, man? Yeah, definitely take screenshots, and then they should refund you for that. So take screenshots of everything that you can right now while it's happening. Here I am trading in a practice account here, out of the bell, in long with 6 minis, down 2 grand. But it's a practice account, so I don't really. It's purely entertainment here. This doesn't look like it's going to turn around. Yeah, this sucks. Eh? That won't be. You won't have to worry about that though. Just make sure you get screenshots and open up a ticket with them right away, and just say, "I took a trade. I couldn't close it. You know, I don't know what happened there. If it hit your max daily loss or something, how you got out." But take screenshots and. Just so you have proof, they're going to have a lot of people with the same issue. So I'm pretty sure. I wonder if I lost money. So I'm only down $2.90, $2.90, but I don't remember if I had any. Yeah, so I lost $2.90 only. Just was able to close it right away. It activated my order instantly. So, yes. yes, if it's a listening account, reach out to them. They'll be dealing with TradeMate, right? TradeMate is just a platform. You can just tell them like they'll be the ones who will fix the numbers, right? It's so sad. I finally migrated all my accounts over to Tradeovate, and now Project X is the only one working. See if I'm gonna get my TP here on this play account. Looks like it's gonna go there right now. Six minis long here. Hold through $2,000 drawdown, and oh, it edged my order there. What the heck? Oh, is it gonna do it to me? On the practice account, it's gonna do it. Come on. Let's move this up. Let's sell 5 here. Huh? There we go. Mine just played up to not gonna risk this BS for wrecking my accounts. Lost $5, slip and execution or shit on TradingView, but I got it in and out okay. Yeah, did it move though? Because like mine activated. I put an order. It activated at like it showed at the price where the price is stuck on Tradeovate. Yeah, I'm gonna take this here, guys. Let's close this position here. So I made $2,443 with the practice account on NQ. Bought the dip. I have half a mind to go over to Top Step and just get an account right now, guys. Yeah, that's exactly what I did too. It executed, but it like executed at like way below price. Like price was here and it executed down here and it showed executed. I was like, what the heck? So I like closed it pretty quick. I ended up losing $2.90 or something like that. So I guess I kind of got lucky on the price at the time, but didn't work out so good with Johan. So I just told her, make sure you grab screenshots and then reach out to them right away. They will fix this, right? But you just have to have the proof. So that's why you got to always take screenshots. Remember that, guys. If you ever have issues with your trading, like definitely take screenshots as fast as you can while it's happening or right away. And if it's showing your drawdown and it's not moving and stuff like that, take screenshots just for proof, so that they'll fix that though for you. Well, we bought the bounce there, and now it's up to the pre-market high there. this pop and drop. So Austin from ASFX, say this is the move. We want to take it to here. It could still go higher, but this was where the experienced traders would take profits, is up in this area, and that's where I closed the trade. So let's see if we can't make some more fake money today, guys. Jesus, guys, what the heck are we doing here? I feel so sad. I can't do anything. Hey Tim, be careful if you're trading Tradevate. It's not working. Warning, sir. So if you're trading on Tradevate, it's not working. So don't try to execute any orders right now. The executions will go through, but you all had trouble closing hers. She ended up losing $310, and then Aaron activated his trading view and closed it, and so did I, and people got a small loss from it. So yeah, don't even attempt to take trades on that right now. It's crazy. So interesting. We've been having Project X go down. Tradevate always is steady, and then now we got Tradevate down and Project X is working. And it's like I just migrated my top 150 account over. Like, damn. So I don't have anything I can do. All my accounts are Tradevate now. I wonder if what did it tell you? Well, is that from the AI or is that from a person? That could be like their standard AI response. Just make sure you ask the chat to speak to a person, because it is out. Everyone's out right now. So don't believe that. Especially if it's just like the AI response, that's just like probably their generic response. I'll even open a ticket with them too. Yeah, just type in there and say ask for and I say I need to speak to a person. To a person. It's probably just the AI's general response, because the AI doesn't know that there's an outage, right? But I'll make sure I open a ticket too, because in the same little chat box where you're asking, where you can just ask that chat box, say you need to speak to a person, and it should connect you to a person. But you'll probably have to wait a few minutes for you to get put through, because they're probably getting swamped with people right now. Yeah, so if you just go to here, I'll bring this over so you guys can see it. Yeah, so it's pretty hard to see it actually. Here, let's do this. Yeah, so I'm gonna open a ticket here too. You ask a question. Yeah, okay, perfect. Yeah, it says our policy unexpected due to slippage market volatility. Yeah, so can you connect me to a person? I'll connect you with someone from our team. Meanwhile, any additional details? Okay, well, just I'm not gonna open a ticket myself just because it's not worth it for me for the $2.90. But that should be how you should be able to get this dealt with. So look at that. We swept the highs there, pulled back and bounced again here. Oh, I see some price movement here now. On it was moving for a second. Yeah, not working. Oh, I got some price movement here, but it's showing like 26,279. Okay, it looks like I wouldn't be trading this yet though, guys. I can see this price moving here, but okay, so I'm not even seeing. Depends on what you're looking at too. Like I'm getting a little bit of movement here with NQ. ES is ES moving? Yeah, ES is moving a bit here. What the heck, man? I just don't even want to attempt to take a trade on this right now. I'll be right back, guys. Sorry. Sorry about that, guys. So, did we get any luck here? What's going on? Gold is not moving. Yes, isn't moving now. NQ, maybe it's moving? I don't know. Doesn't look like it's moving either. What the heck? Price shows way down here at 70.21, but the candles are up here. So Nick's on Price to Action Live, so I wonder, I should go check that out. Actually, I want to see if he's in a trade or anything. Because most of his, he probably has an account that he can trade, but most of his accounts are on Trade also. Figures, hey guys. So we all move our accounts over to Trade because Project X is having issues now. Trade is down. What are you doing here? Let's see. Let's try to take along here, guys. Don't follow me on this. I'm just practicing out here, but our stops below the low here. Jupiter, 20 points here, upside. I've been thinking about getting a Top Step account. Maybe I should just do that today. Just get one real quick here. Do they have an email address we can write to? I don't see one. If not, I'm going to wait all day for a reply. I can't get one. Yeah, they probably do have a support email. I think that they would. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything there, but you could either go to Discord or X. Discord is probably a decent place to look. Are we gonna get this bounce here, guys? Come on, give me 21. Give me 22 points, 21 points, or 20 points on two minis here. Crypto's not really moving today. Yeah, it's a little. Maybe you got to wait for FOMC also for the crypto. Hey. Are we gonna get a pop here, guys? Come on, give it a little pop for those 20 points. Come on, and let's break out here. Make me some play money. All right, let's see if Nick pops in here. We just finished on Trader's Post there. The city that I grew up in, mostly in Vancouver area, is called Surrey, and there's a big thing going on right now about extortion in Surrey, and then they're calling it a state of emergency right now with all the corrupt. I need to say a name, but I think it's Punjabis extorting other companies and other people and everything, and Surrey's pretty overrun with this immigration issues, and yeah, so they've made it a state of emergency. There we go. We're gonna get this pop now, guys. I'm gonna add to this one here. Come on, let's go. Uh-oh. We're gonna go lower here now. Are we gonna go lower here? Looks like it held down by the. Well, we got a cross on the 9 and the 21 here, so could be a push lower here. That's a bit top. Just not the same when you trade a paper account like this. Like I don't even, my heart doesn't even bounce up at all, you know. So it's like you really want to say, you know, if you can pass, you know, or make many trades in a paper account, it doesn't really mean that you're learning very much, because you don't really have the real money on the line. It does nothing to like, doesn't give you any emotions, right? Love the sellers here at the 260 area. If we do get through it though, we're gonna pop pretty nice. I'm gonna give it a couple extra points here. We're still holding it though. Oh, so it's a new review actually. That's expected. See if we can lose the 2400 that we made earlier already. Should probably cut this here. It's looking so heavy right now. Oh no, no, guys. No. Let's move our stop down here. This is exactly how you shouldn't trade, guys. So let's add one here. Maybe we're gonna bounce. What? It's just gonna like whip straight back up here. It wants to go higher. It just, hey, Johan, see you in a minute. We just again, sellers are holding down at this 60 level for the VWAP is. Almost in full position here. Is Database working yet? No. Oh, I'm gonna go lower here. Let's add to it. We're gonna get a bounce here. Let's go, Bulls. Let's go. My paper account needs to go up here. This is so sad, guys. Can't even trade. Go, we're max sized. Hopefully we don't take max loss here. Tradeify is working with me on refund and loss. Apex, no response yet. Yeah, it shouldn't be a problem, guys. Just make sure you take screenshots if you lost anything worthwhile putting up a ticket. Still no movement on the chart though. We're probably going to sweep these lows here, guys, and then eventually go higher. Go higher. We did barely sweep the lows, but I wouldn't doubt that we can at least go down towards 200. There we go. Got that little wick right there. Now it should just pop around and go up here. Come on, keep going down. That's not enough. That's not enough. There you go. Read that one. Oh, pretty good. Right back to my entry here. I should probably just close this trade because it's so bearish. Let's see if we can get a little bit of profit out of this. Might just very good stop up if we can get it above our price. It's gonna at least go to the view up here. Here we go. Got the stop in there. Stop. Might take that right over here, but that's all good. Yeah, we got stuff out there. But yeah, that's what I kind of knew we were going to just get a sweep there and then a bounce. So get an opportunity to get out anyways. Oh, when I'm on my Take Profit Trader account, the price is moving a little bit. This sucks, guys. Two people in YouTube, 2 in X and 5 in Nick's X, so. Well, guys, I'm gonna stick around till about 7:30, and if nothing's happening here, we'll probably just wrap up the stream. I don't know if you guys know. Some of you might know from the Discord. You saw it, but I passed my 5 take profit trader account. So these are my 5 funded accounts. I passed them yesterday. So we got 500 accounts. They're all brand new, as you can see. There's no trades in them. But excited to start working on these new accounts. I wasn't planning to trade them at all this week. I was going to wait to wait for the F1C craziness to shake out. Yeah, hopefully we get everything working for F1C. There's that chance to take some trades later. But yeah, I'll catch you later, Darren. Have a good afternoon. Since we're down right now, just going to be patient here. Wait for a few minutes to see if we can get everything working again here. I do see price moving a little bit again here and there on some of these charts, but I won't be touching any trades until we actually see proper movement, which it doesn't look like we're getting. So I'm just answering an email here real quick. In our typical pre-FOMC price action here, guys. This is actually the trend line. But we're, we made our kind of our inside moves today. Maybe search and destroy. I don't know what they would call it, but and now we're just tightening up. So wouldn't be taking any trades here until we get a decent break, sort of below 200 or above 290. So hey, Johan, yeah, you have a great day too. Did you hear back from them about that? Or are you still waiting? Yeah, they're probably swamped with tickets right now, so makes sense. Thanks, Johan. Yeah, hopefully, I'm sure it'll work out for you. They're a good company. They'll take care of you. Normally, I would be telling you guys initial analysis and stuff. Got a little basement here, got a little bit of volume and some a green candle here. And then we're going to hold the initial balance low, targeting just before the New York VWAP here. So we swept the lows there, guys. Looks like I lost about 1,500 on that pullback in the paper account. Not even paying attention, responding to emails here, and yeah. Since we broke the IB low, so we think about actually taking a short trade now. Or are we going to just manipulate below there, indecision candle, and then bounce? Let's see here. Let's give this a minute. I want to blow my paper account. 107,000 from 100K. Where did it execute me at? Here. 194. Right at the lows there. 329. It would have been about 10 points in drawdown there, but we kind of bounced back into the initial balance here. Don't follow me on any of these trade guys. I'm just playing around on this paper account. Trading NQ minis for fun. Zach Carbucci just made a test trade on his accounts, and he got entered. We're almost hitting back down to lows here on this initial balance break. Let's just remember here. Those equal lows. Figuring there, nice. All right, 455. On one micro there, or one mini. All right, we're switching the lows there, guys. Well, it doesn't look like Trader 8's going to be coming back anytime soon. So I'm thinking let's just wrap it up here, guys. Unfortunately, we can't really take any trades. A couple winners, couple losers here on the paper trade account here. Up 1,500 in this paper account. I think I was up 2,500 at one point there, and then I lost 1,500 on those two micros or two minis. But yeah, sorry about that, everybody. Obviously, some things are out of our control, and today is one of those days. So thanks for everybody who did tune in. Johan, Darren. Who else do we got here this morning? Tim. Never saw Zara today. And Darren was off a little bit earlier. I think we have said that already. But thanks everybody for tuning in. We'll be back live tomorrow morning for sure. Might be trying to get back on live for F1 a little bit later. We'll see how it goes. I do have a bunch of stuff to get prepared to move and whatnot. So thank you everybody for tuning in. And we'll see you tomorrow morning. Peace out. Have a good day.